This action is not bullish. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Day Update for Friday. Thank God it's Friday. What a day yesterday. Woo. It was a wild one, and they just creamed everything. And, of course, they took us along with them for the ride. But, again, that's the part of trading without emotion. You don't worry about it because we had a nice big run. And, again, we actually reversed the Dow, the S&P, and the Russell this morning. So we're now short from much higher levels. We're still long the NASDAQ. So there you go. There's our current position in equities. And today's action is very reminiscent. Now, again, I don't predict markets, but the actual trading action from yesterday to today and the way it opened and what we're doing now is very reminiscent to back in the day of October 15th and 16th of 1987. Big down day on Thursday, spiked higher on Friday, closed lower, and of course we all know what happened on Monday. Again, that won't happen again like that, but again, just the action is interesting looking at history. And in the meantime, it would be, although we're up pretty big right now, I think the Dow's up over 600 as I speak, and the NASDAQ's up over 100. It would be no surprise to me if we did close lower today. Okay. Now, we're fairly neutral based on our position, but again, it'd be no surprise if we close lower. It'd be no surprise if we rally, but I would be more leaning that we're going to probably head south. Now, whether we'll get all the way down, that's another question, but I would think we'll head south. I would think at this point the highs are probably in for the day. Okay. But again, I'm not predicting, I'm just saying. In the meantime, gold is higher, silver is lower. Again, those two are both in a real interesting predicament. Gold has got to break above 1750 and hold, which will bring 1775 and 1780 and then the 1800 into play. Silver is going to get close to reversing and going short if it doesn't do something soon. And platinum's a touch higher, but we are short platinum now. Okay. Nat gas is lower, copper is higher. The bonds are lower, but making a pretty nice comeback at the moment. We reversed. We're now long again, bonds and notes. Okay, we're still long copper and still short nat gas. Just to be clear, the oil market is kind of chirping all over the place. It's a little bit lower, but on both sides of unchanged, going back and forth, fairly regular here. But again, as I said, that 40 level was key, and to me, it looks like we're going to head south here. Now we're still long, so let's be clear. But I do think we're going to probably head south. You may get a rally, but I think longer term, we're going to be lower. I don't think 40 is going to get taken out on the next run up. Okay. The grains are all slightly higher. Okay, nothing dramatic, but slightly higher. And the meats are all, as well, slightly higher. We remain long beans, long corn, short wheat, short hogs, long cattle. Okay. So again, there is not a lot going on here. It isn't overly exciting, but it could get exciting. This could be a very volatile day. You could see some very wild swings, which we've already seen. I mean, the S&P has been flying around in 15 to 20 point increments up and down. So again, it could get exciting. It could be extremely volatile today. And again, we'll kind of see how it plays out. But again, I would lean to thinking that the highs are probably in for the day. But again, I will just trade the charts. And of course, I already got my long-term positions on, so I won't do anything with those. Okay. In the meantime, again, don't forget about our brand new commodity report from Andy Heck, Technomental. Andy is the #1 writer for Seeking Alpha, also in the industry for years and years and years and years. And of course, has traveled worldwide trading commodities, okay, physical commodities. So he goes to places we would want to go to. Anyways, you want to check it out, go to the website, bubbatrading.com, and you can check out Technomental. And of course, don't forget about our great brokerage partners, CTG for futures and commodities. They do all of our letter of direction trading. They are phenomenal with customer service. They get back to you, bang, they take care of everything. No voicemails, they get on the phone, okay? And of course, for equities and their brokerage is Tradier, okay? And Tradier, again, first of all, it's $10 a month. Second of all, their API ties in with our software. So for our hedging and other things we're coming up with, we'll be able to trade automatically through there. But again, they've got great service. They take care of us. And again, for $10 a month, how can you go wrong? And of course, don't forget our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great day, everybody. Again, We'll see what the day brings. But again, we would lean to the downside. In the meantime, it's a beautiful day. I'd like to go out and hit some golf balls. I'll see you back here on Sunday with another Bubba's Bottom Line. In the meantime, enjoy. Have a great weekend. We'll see you later.